For training to have any value, it must be built on something solid and lead into something solid. I'm going to show you a small model that will create in you an everlasting remembrance of this simple technique. Building on something, leading into something. This is not the model. This is what tends to happen. We tend to have a training with someone informing something, someone learning something, and it exists within itself. When we work properly in training, we make these boundaries open. We lead into our training from building on the past. We leave out of our training making sure that it's embedded in the future. And we have each one of these connected into the future. So we have our training plan, our doing of the training, our review of the training, and the application of the learning going into something. That is the complete plan. Great trainers keep this in mind as they evolve themselves. As trainers, this becomes non-existent. We have our plan developed from the past. We evolve into the future, and learning is experiential. It moves through small plan-do reviews as the learning and development happens, so it becomes ipsative. It creates itself into the future. If you would like more information on the application of this plan, this learning plan, and you would like to see some of the circumstances under which it has shown great impact, great effect, and great return on investment, come back to me or check out the next video.